The topic for today is radians, which is another way to measure an angle. I have a little warm up for you. Would you pause the video, please, and quickly do the warm up? All right, hopefully for pi is approximately 3.14. If you do the division, you should also get 3.14 approximately for that. That'll come in handy in a little bit. Again, the topic for today is radians, which is another way to measure an angle. Just like with lengths, there's more than one way to measure a length. We could say something's 2 feet tall. We could also say it's 24 inches tall. They mean the same thing, it's just different units. So again, the topic for today is radians. 1 radian is approximately 57.3 degrees. I've got 3 questions for you. Would you take a look at those and see if you can get those answered? Pause the video, please. All right, for 2 radians, each radian is 57.3 degrees. So 2 times 57.3 would get us 114.6 degrees. We don't have to deal with whole numbers. 3.14 radians times each of those radians is about 57.3 degrees. If we do that multiplication out, we get 179.9 degrees. Interesting. Very close to 180. Very close to pi over there. For 360 degrees, and each radian is 57.3 degrees about. So if we divide, we'll see approximately how many radians that is. 360 divided by 57.3 gets us around 6.28. Interesting. That is very, very close to 2 pi. So 180 degrees is exactly pi radians, and 360 degrees is exactly 2 pi radians. Those are good things to latch on to. Again, it seems like 57.3 is a strange number to show up as a unit. Where did this come from? Imagine you have a circle here, and we have the radius of the circle marked. If that was a piece of string, let's pick up that piece of string and lay it out right here. So these two lengths are the same. This and this have the same length. And now let's take that string and wrap it on the circle. When we do that, we create an angle here. The angle that gets created is 57.3 degrees, and that's where the radian came from. It's literally picking up the radius, laying it out on the circle, and seeing what the size of the angle is that's created when you do that. You'll notice the unit is called a radian, which sounds a lot like a radius, and because in a way the angle comes from using the